Mercedes W463 relay and fuse box tutorial. Passenger compartment fuse box. The fuse box is located on the left side of the dashboard behind the protective cover. Diagram. Fuse and relay box under the dashboard. On the passenger side, at the bottom of the dashboard, there is a main fuse and a relay box. Type 1. In this type, the fuse and relay box is installed upside down. Type 2. Fuse and relay box in the tunnel. Another fuse and relay box is located between the front seats in the tunnel. On the left side of the trunk, there are additional relay elements.